Hello kids! Today we will be making 3 different Easter items. An eggmobile, an Easter egg basket, and a 3D Easter card. We will first start with the Easter eggmobile. For this craft you will need page 2 from my Easter kit that's available from my website for free, some tape, scissors, glue, some string, color pencils, and markers. Right, so the first thing I will do is color the eggs. Pick any 4 eggs that you like. Next, I will cut the 4 eggs that I have colored. I will then fold the eggs in half. Next, I will cut a piece of string, cut some tape, and I will tape the bottom part of the string to the center of one of the eggs. I will glue half of one of the eggs to the half of the other egg. And I will add some more glue again to one of the half egg and glue it to another half egg. Finally, I will add glue to the whole side and stick my final egg at the top. And my Easter egg mobile is ready. Now we will be making an Easter egg basket. For this craft, you will need pages 3 and 4 from my Easter kit that's available for free from my website, scissors, glue, ribbon, pink color pencil, and a stapler. We'll first start by cutting the base of the basket. This can be used as a base for not just the Easter basket, but any other basket. Remember to be slow and steady. Next, I will cut the bunny. There are 2 bunnies. We will use one for the front of the basket and one for the back of the basket. After this, I will color in the ears with my pink color pencil. You can also use another color such as gray or any other color that you want to color the ears. I will use the same color to color in the nose and repeat this for the other bunny face. Next, I will fold the base of the basket on the lines provided. I will fold the tabs. Next, I will apply some glue to the tabs of our template. I will stick this to the flaps . Now I will add some glue to the back of the bunny head and stick it to the bag that we made before. I will do the same to the other bunny head and stick it on the back side of the bag. We'll cut a piece of ribbon, any size that you feel is good. staple it on the side of the bag. Your Easter egg basket is now ready for an Easter egg hunt. And now we will make our three-dimensional Easter card. For this craft, you will need pages 4, 5, and 6 printed from my Easter kit. It's available for free on my website. Some glue, scissors, markers, and some color pencils. We will first start by coloring these images from page 4. Next, we will cut these little images. Just remember to be slow and steady, and you will do a great job at cutting. You will see that I've added some extra eggs and an extra drawing of the grass. This is because the egg is too tiny to cut and the grass is slightly tricky to cut. So if in case you mess up, don't worry, you have another one to work on. I will finish cutting the bunny. Next, I will cut the outer side of the egg boxes from page 5 and 6. Just remember to be slow and steady when cutting. We will do the same thing for page 6. After this, we will cut the inside of the eggs to create an egg frame. To do this, I will fold it in half and snip the egg from the middle. Then I will finish cutting the whole egg from inside. We will repeat the same steps for the other 2 eggs on the other 2 pages. Next, I will layer the egg frames on top of one another. My smallest frame at the bottom. I will fold the tabs on these 2 pages and arrange them in layers. Next, add some glue on the tabs and stick it to the card. I will add some glue to the grass tab, stick it. Next, I will add some glue to the bunny tab and stick it from the back of our last page. Press it well so it sticks properly. Now I will stick the remaining cutouts on this card. You can choose to arrange and stick however you want to. Easter 3D card is now ready. Give it to someone special. And with that, I'd like to thank you for crafting along with me. If you could kindly share your wonderful creation